So, hello dear students, today we will cover JIT, that is what? Just-in-time manufacturing. Just-in-time manufacturing means, as its name indicates, means whenever the demand arises, at the same time you have to produce the product. So what is just-in-time? Just-in-time is a management philosophy. It is not a particular technique. It originally referred to the production of goods to meet customers' demand exactly in time on a right quality and quantity, whether the customer is the final purchaser of the product or another process further along the production line. Just-in-time manufacturing is a production model in which items are created to meet demand, not created in surplus or in advance of need. Where organizations adopt the JIT approach to increase efficiency, reduce cost and speed up product delivery. To achieve these goals, however, they must eliminate the types of waste typically associated with manufacturing, such as overproduction, unnecessary waiting lines, excessive inventory. Only then they can implement an effective JIT strategy. Actually, just-in-time manufacturing philosophy is a Japanese philosophy. At the very first time, Toyota introduced the just-in-time manufacturing philosophy. So, there are basically two elements of just-in-time, that is what? Continuous improvement. You have to work continuously, to improve the existing quality of your product, whether this is in terms of your raw material or the semi-finished good, or in terms of the dispatching of the items, or you can say any error while manufacturing the product. So we will discuss all these things in detail. So what is continuous improvement? How you can make the benchmark of continuous improvement by attacking fundamental problems. Means anything that does not add value to the product, you should eliminate that particular step or process. Or by devising systems to identify problem, you have to devise such type of systems which can identify the errors or further problems. So Poka-yoke is one of the foolproofing technique we will use later on. Striving for simplicity, we have to make our steps very easy or very simple. Simpler systems may be easier to understand, as we all know, the simple things are more easy to understand and easier to manage and less likely to go wrong. A product oriented process. So a product oriented process means it produces less time spent moving of material and parts. Quality control at source means when each individual take ownership of doing the right thing. So each worker is responsible for the quality of their own output. Then the Poka-yoke, that is a foolproofing technique. When the error occurs in the line, a light blinks and on that particular system. So and the preventive maintenance means, as a precautionary measure, you should do the preventive maintenance time to time for the your assembly line or for all the machineries. Now the second important aspect of the element of just-in-time, which is the most renowned element, that is what? 7 waste. It is the most renowned concept given by the Japanese technology. So Toyota used this concept first. There are 7 types of waste: the waste of overproduction, waste of waiting, the waste of inventory, waste of transportation, waste of processing, waste of motion and waste of defects. So overproduction means when more items are produced rather than the demands. Waiting means when you produce more items and items are sitting idle to dispatch. Items sitting waiting for other processes to complete before production can continue forward. Then inventory, when you order extra inventory or you order the shorter inventory, fine, and you require such larger space or the store to manage it. Then transportation, material or products which are transported unnecessarily during the production processes. Then processing, inefficient processing results in unnecessary efforts, equipments or time spent in production. So the things unnecessary, which is unnecessary moving during the production, and the motion means workers move in a different manner and inefficiently, or they are going through a longer route rather than a shorter route. So you have to minimize their motions also. Then defects, defective products result in the wasted time, material, raw material, resources and efforts that can impact the company's reputation. So these were two basic elements of JIT. So I hope you all understand this topic. Thank you very much.